Tuesday, August the 21st, 4th period, Algebra 3. Warm-up quiz is first. Problem number 1. Answer is negative x equals negative 6 plus 2, negative x equals negative 4. Divide by negative 1. So you get a 4. Next up, number 2. It should be negative x equals negative 6 minus 5. That is a negative 11, but you have to divide by negative 1 because of this. So the answer is 11. Number 3. Everybody had that. The answer is 8. Next one. Number 4. Answer on this one should be a negative 20 plus 3, which is a negative 17. Last one. Pick a number from 1 to 10, bring it up, drop it off. The winning number today is 3. I need to see the answers for 1 through 3 on the table now. Answers to 1 through 3 are 5, negative 10, and negative 4. Answers for 4 through 5 are 8, negative 3, and 0. Answers to 7, 8, and 9 are 9, negative 8, and negative 6. Answers to 10, 11, and 12 are 23, negative 2, and 2. Correction on number 10. The answer should be 24. Answers to 13, 14, and 15 are negative 8, negative 10, and 2. Today's objective is still algebra review, and specifically the learning target will be solving quadratic equations, even more specifically by factoring. Here we go. Example number 1, easiest one, x squared plus 7x plus 12 equals 0. What you must do is find two numbers that multiply to give you 12, but they add to give you a positive 7. The factors of 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. So which pair of numbers will add to get 7? 3 and 4. But the final answer, since you have to do this, x plus 3, x plus 4, the final answer is really the opposite of your factors because you set each one equal to 0. And when you do that, you end up with x equals negative 3, x equals negative 4. On your answers for your papers, you would have to write the final answer like this: negative 3 and then 4. You don't have to put the x's in there. This would be a negative 4 here. This is the final answer. Example number 2, we'll stay with plus plus. So we'll go x squared plus 11x plus 24 equals 0. You need two numbers that multiply to get 24 but add to get 11. The factors of 24 are 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. Which pair gets 11? 3, and 8. So don't forget you have to do x plus 3, x plus 8, and then set each one equal to 0 and go back and solve. So you would have x equals negative 3, x equals negative 8. So it's just negative 3, negative 8 on your paper. Remember, the shortcut is this laser pointer. There you are. I need a bigger laser pointer. This one. There we go. Whatever your factors turn out to be here, or if it's these two, 3 and 8, if it's positive 3, positive 8, you change it. It's just the opposite. So to do all this, it's mathematically correct to go through and do all that, but to save time, there's no sense in doing all of this if you've written this out and you've done this. And I don't need to see this. You can just flip the signs once you get these. Whatever these signs are, do the opposite. That'll give you the final answer. All right. Practice problem number 1. Bring this up and drop it off. X squared plus 12x plus 32 equals 0. Alright, for the practice problem, two numbers that multiply to give me 32 but add to get 12. 1 and 32, 2 and 16, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. The opposite will be negative 4, negative 8. Bonus problem is x squared plus 15x plus 56 equals 0. Yep. Yep.
Regular traveling cut bonus.
Artist, did you just turn in the bonus? Or was that the practice problem? Pollard, did you do the same thing? Did you drop the bonus off up here? Well, come get the bonus. Anybody else still need to turn in a practice problem? Anybody need some more time on the practice? Right there is the bonus. Here's your money. For getting the bonus right. Anybody else need time on the practice? Answer to the bonus is -7, -8. Practice problem number 2. X squared plus 20x plus 64 equals 0. For the practice problem, we have 64 and its factors are 1 and 64, 2 and 32, 4 and 16. Don't need to go any further because these add to give you 20. The opposites are -4, -16. Bonus problem, x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 0. The bonus only has one option. Factors of 1 are 1 and 1. So it's -1, -1, or you can just write -1. The homework assignment is as follows.